Hello, welcome to KB Tours of Washington, D.C. We will be going on a 2-hour tour of the historic African American community of Shaw. We will meet at the African American Civil War Memorial, which is located at Vermont and U Street Northwest. I will be wearing a yellow shirt. I'm very tall, 6'5", so I'll be easy for you to find. We will go to various parts of the neighborhood of Shaw, meet a lot of people, see a lot of different things. We will stop at the Carter G. Woodson Memorial. Now, Carter G. Woodson was an African American who graduated from Harvard. He's also a professor at Howard University, and he started Black History Month in the United States. Right across the street from his memorial will be the Phyllis Wheatley HYWCA. Now, Phyllis Wheatley was an African American poet, and the Phyllis Wheatley YWCA was the first African American YWCA in Washington, D.C. Now, I am very big on murals, so we'll be walking by quite a few murals. We actually have a mural committee here in Washington. There's murals all over Washington, D.C. We'll stop by the Carter G. Woodson house. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, the house isn't open, but that won't stop us from stopping in front, giving me some very interesting stories and facts about Carter G. Woodson and his house. We will then proceed on to up U Street, up to near the Howard Theater, and right across the alley from the Howard Theater is this beautiful mural, which has some really great history. This used to be a pool hall here. Then we're going to show you the Howard Theater Walk of Fame. Some of the greatest African American singers, dancers, comedians, performers in the 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s performed at the Howard Theater. It was part of the Chitlin circuit. And the Howard Theater even had Franklin Delano Roosevelt visited. Now, they renovated the theater a few years ago, and it's a working theater even today. Now, Duke Ellington, this statue is called Encore, and Duke Ellington was a native Washingtonian. He later moved up to New York. One of my favorite neighborhoods to walk through is LaDroit Park. Now, LaDroit Park was the first suburb of Washington after the Civil War. Now, this is the home of Anna J. Cooper. Anna J. Cooper was the third woman of color to earn her PhD in the United States. And we'll walk past the campus of Howard University, one of the historic African American universities in the United States. Started in 1867, and it has 13 different schools, including the College of Medicine. We will end our tour at Ben's Chili Bowl, where, if we're smart, we'll order our food ahead so we don't have to go inside. And food will be ready. We'll pay for it, and we'll just keep going on. But I hope you enjoy the tour. Most important of all, please wear your mask. It's very important. Now, this is a picture of me, so you know what I'm look like. And I will be wearing one of those bright yellow shirts that will have KB Tours on it, so I'll be easy to find. Please bring some water, some comfortable shoes, and I'll be looking forward to you. Have a great day.